Hello, listener. Today, let's dive deeper into conflict. You see, conflict isn't just about disagreement, it's about differing values and needs. In workplaces, it can manifest as interpersonal clashes or even internal struggles. Effective conflict management isn't just necessary, it's vital for a thriving environment. When handled well, listener, in the last video, we discussed the introduction and background of conflict management. In this video, I will elaborate on the definition and other aspects. Definition of conflict. Conflict is an active disagreement that arises and happens at the workplace or at any place due to the opposition of values, interests, and needs among people who work together. There are many types of conflicts that occur at the workplace, such as interpersonal conflict, intergroup, and intragroup conflict. Interpersonal conflicts develop between two people when they have different opinions on the same topic or concept. Intrapersonal conflicts take place within the individual's mind. This type of conflict is related to the psychology of the individual, which includes their values, emotions, principles, and thoughts. Intergroup conflicts arise among different teams because of misunderstandings or due to different perceptions on a particular topic. On the other hand, intragroup conflict refers to disagreement among team members of the same group. Conflict management. Conflict management is the process of eliminating, reducing, and terminating all types of conflicts that occur at the workplace. Conflicts result in various negative outcomes at the workplace, which includes increase in labor turnover, ineffective communication, and bad interpersonal relationship among employees. These conflicts can be resolved with the help of conflict management practices. There are several strategies and styles of resolving the conflicts. Some strategies of conflict management are avoiding, collaborating, competing, and compromising. The best strategy of solving conflict at workplace, which is mainly preferred by managers, is collaboration. There are some another process and strategies for resolving conflicts that managers should focus upon some technique. Managers of the organization should focus on developing an understanding about the employees and their problems in order to find feasible solutions. Managers should analyze and identify the changes in attitudes, approaches, and behaviors of participants towards their work so that chances of conflicts can be assessed at the initial stage. Managers should focus on maintaining discipline at the workplace and take effective action against employees who resist efforts and are caught as the major cause of conflicts. Managers should also take the initiative to conduct regular meetings in order to discuss issues that arise at the workplace. Along with this, managers can also conduct separate meetings for individuals to discuss problems separately to resolve different individuals' problems with regard to the project. Recurring frequent conflicts affect the working environment negatively and make people suffer. Individuals who disrespect their colleagues and managers are primarily responsible for such conflicts. Disagreement and conflicts will have a negative impact on the company, employees, and customers. Conflict management and resolution makes work life peaceful and stress-free. Managers should address all the problems at the right time in order to prevent conflicts. When conflicts are resolved, employees feel motivated and find their work exciting and challenging. For resolving the problems, managers and employers should give equal importance to everyone. It increases the workers' morale when the employer involves all the workers in their processes and discusses issues with them. Conflicts and construction industry. The construction industry is of prime importance for the economy of any country due to its large contribution to GDP. There have been a number of revolutions in the industry over the past few years. With the introduction of newer methods and advanced technologies, the approach that is followed has had a number of major changes and modifications. Every type of organization always puts in effort to maximize its profits, except for charitable organizations. Employees are key to the organization to maximize profits. The employees of the organization tend to give their best efforts to ensure better outcomes. They also try not to indulge in any kind of conflicts at the workplace. This is made possible only if the management team gives importance to and values all employees and fulfills their needs. If employees constantly fight, argue, and criticize each other, the company cannot become productive and successful. For enhancing the productivity of the company, its managers and leaders are required to assign responsibilities and roles to each worker clearly. Due to continuous conflicts at the workplace, employees face numerous difficulties in terms of maintaining their concentration on their core tasks, which has an adverse effect on the productivity of the firm. Summary of definitions. Conflict. Conflict refers to a serious disagreement between two or more people. It can be defined as a serious disagreement between two or more people. Conflict management. It can be referred to as the procedure of limiting the counterproductive aspects of conflict while increasing the optimistic prospects of dispute. Construction project. A construction project begins with an idea that is born out of a particular need or wish. It transforms tension into teamwork. Stay tuned for next video.